We're ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, we're recording now.
We are.
Okay.
We should show that.
We should. Hey, everybody. Hi.
Real stuff.
This is real stuff. Hi, this is Amy L. From Healthier with Amy L. And I'm here with my friend, Pauline.
Hi, how are you?
And Pauline has a channel.
Yes, Pauline from Pea's Path.
That's it.
Yes, there you go.
So we're having a lot of fun today, kind of joining forces. As you know, in everything we do, we're better together. And Pauline and I are both lifetime members of WW, and between the two of us, we have over 40 years of WW experience.
40 years. It's a lot of years.
It's a lot of years.
And how many years lifetime for us?
Oh my gosh, I don't know. 8, 9, 10 for me.
And I just celebrated 4. So,
So 14 years of lifetime experience. Look, Pauline, you're getting out of the shot. Scooch in a little bit. So we thought that with that combined experience, we might have some tips and tricks that we want to share with you. We're each still doing our own channel, but we'll do these combined videos together because we've got some ideas of what we can do.
So in the next couple of weeks, what we want to show you is we have reviewed hundreds, if not thousands of videos on weight loss and wellness, and we decided that we have seen some of them and we are gonna take a little twist on them. So over the next coming weeks, we are going to go shopping.
Yeah.
We are going to meal prep. We are going to explore recipes. We are going to figure out what you need to eat in a day. We've got some exciting plans over the next couple of weeks between Healthier with Amy L. and Pea's Path.
Yep. So we figured between the two of us, we've got the weekends covered for you, and now we just want to give you a little bit of help during the week. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, a couple of things you can do. You can click subscribe for both of our channels, and if you ring the bell, you'll get notifications every time we post one of these new videos. And Pauline also has some hashtags for us.
Yes, if you take a look, you can see Pea's Path. You can have health and wellness.
That's
Healthier with Amy A. Yes. Wellness Warriors and the Weekend Wellness Duo.
So I hope that this helps, and we'll see you around the site. Thanks. Bye.